Hi, good morning dear students. Welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous video, already we have discussed about histogram, frequency polygon and frequency curve. So, in this video, we are going to know about the new concept, very important concept is ogives. Ogives are, it is also known as a cumulative frequency curve. Ogives, it is also known as a cumulative frequency curves. So let us know about what is the meaning of ogive. The curve drawn for cumulative frequency against the class limits are called as an ogives. The curves drawn for cumulative frequency against the class limits are called ogives. So, cumulative frequency means the frequency values we have to adding. Frequency values we are adding one by one. We are adding one by one is called as an cumulative frequencies. So, when we are drawing a curve, cumulative frequency against the class limits. Class limits means the class intervals. So, there is a two types of class limits, upper limit and lower limit. Based on the upper limit and lower limit, so against the cumulative frequency, we can draw a ogive curves. That is called as an cumulative frequency curves. Okay, students? Cumulative frequency curve, it is also known as a ogives. So, ogives, there are two types of ogives. First one is less than ogive, second one is more than ogives. We have a two types of ogives, less than ogives and more than ogives. So, let us solve the one problem based on the ogives. Okay, students? Draw less than and more than ogives to the following frequency distribution and hence locate the value of median. In the previous video, we already know about how to identify the mode. Based on the histogram, frequency polygon and frequency curve, we can identify the mode. We can identify the mode. But in the form of ogives, based on the ogives, we can identify the median. We can identify the median. It's very important for your 1 marks also. Based on the histogram, we can identify the mode. Based on the ogives or cumulative frequency distribution, we can identify the median. Okay, students, this is very important for your 1 marks also. So, based on the ogives, we can identify the median. Based on the histogram, we can identify the modes. Okay. And one more thing, we have two types of ogives, less than ogive and more than ogives. It is also very important for your 1 mark or 2 marks. Okay. Next, we will go for solution. Draw less than and more than ogives to the following frequency distribution, hence locate the median. Next, they are given information classes, means class intervals. They are given 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Next, they are given information of frequencies 3, 8, 14, 25, 15, 7, 2. It is the given information. Based on this given information, we have to draw a less than and more than ogives. After that, we have to identify the median. Okay, students, this class interval is related to the continuous series. Here they are given information of 10 to 20. So, 10 is lower limit, 20 is upper limit. Here 20 is lower limit, 30 is upper limit. Okay. Based on this given information, let us solve the problem. Okay. First we can, before going to graph, first we have to create one table for the purpose of less than and more than ogives we can draw based on the cumulative frequencies, based on the cumulative frequencies. That is the intention. First we have to identify the cumulative frequencies. First we have to identify the cumulative frequencies. First we should write as it is given information. First they are given information of classes, next they are given information of frequencies. Classes, next they are given information of frequencies. Okay, classes 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Next they are given information of frequencies 3, 8, 14, 25, 15, 7, 2. So this is the given information. Based on this given information, we have to identify the less than cumulative frequency and also more than cumulative frequencies. Okay, students. First we have to identify the cumulative frequencies. For less than OG first. Less than OGs. Next, for more than OGs. More than OGs. Under the less than OGs, we have to identify the two concepts. Under the more than OGs, we have to identify the two concepts. For less than OGs, we have to take a base of upper limits. ULS means upper limits in class intervals. Upper limits in class intervals. So this is the class interval 10 to 20. 10 to 20, the upper limit is 20. We should take base for upper limits. For less than OGs, we have to take a base of upper limits 20. In this class interval 20 to 30, the upper limit is 30. In this class interval 30 to 40, the upper limit is 40. In this class interval 40 to 50, the upper limit is 50. 50 to 60, the upper limit is 60. 60 to 70, the upper limit is 70. 70 to 80, the upper limit is 80. First we should identify the upper limits in the class interval. Next we have to identify the LCF, means less than cumulative frequency. LCF means less than cumulative frequency. MCF means more than cumulative frequency. LCF means less than cumulative frequency. So we have to identify frequencies, means we have to add the frequencies. Less than cumulative frequency, we have to add the frequencies. So first frequency we have to write as it is. First frequency is 3. Next we have to add all the frequencies one by one. 3. First frequency is 3. 3. The second frequency is 8. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, 11. Next we have to add again second frequency. So 11. 11 plus 14. Third frequency we have to add. 11 plus 14, 25. Next 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 15, 65. 65 plus 7, 72. 72 plus 2, 74. This is the way of identifying the less than cumulative frequency. First frequency we have to, as it is we should write. Next, first frequency add to second frequency, so it will come 11. Next we have to add for 11 third frequency, 25 plus 25, 50 plus 15, 65 plus 7, 72 plus 2, 74. This is the way of identifying the less than cumulative frequency. Next we have to identify the more than ogives. Under the more than ogives, first we have to identify the lower limits. Here we are identifying the upper limits. For less than ogives we have to identify the upper limits. For more than ogives we have to identify the lower limits. 10 to 20, the lower limit is 10. 20 to 30, the lower limit is 20. 30 to 40, the lower limit is 30. 40 to 50, the lower limit is 40. 50 to 60, the lower limit is 50. 60 to 70, the lower limit is 60. 70 to 80, the lower limit is 70. Okay, students. First we have to identify the lower limits. In the more than ogives, first we have to identify the lower limits. Next we have to identify the MCF, more than cumulative frequencies. More than cumulative frequencies. So more than cumulative frequencies, it is an opposite to the less than cumulative frequencies. Opposite to the less than cumulative frequencies. Okay, students. First, so the frequencies total means that last less than cumulative frequency. First we have to write here. That is total of the frequency. If you make a total of frequency, you will get 74. If you make a total, you will get 74. So total first we should write here, first frequency. Or else we can take a LCF last value. LCF last value also, it's equal to the total of frequencies. Okay, 74 first we have to take. Next, 74 minus first frequency value is 3. 74 minus 3, we will get 71. We should write in second. 71 minus 8, we will get 63. Next, 63 minus 14. 63 minus 14, we will get 49. Next, 49 minus 25, we will get 24. Next, 24 minus 15, we will get 9. 9 minus 7, we will get 2. Okay, students, this is the way of identifying the MCF. So MCF, first we have to write the total of the frequencies, or else last value of the LCF we should write here. Next we have to less all the frequencies one by one. 74 minus 3, 71 minus 8, 63 minus 14, we should less the frequencies. Okay, we will get the MCF. This is the way of identifying the cumulative frequencies of less than and more than. Okay, students, after identifying this, we should write a less than and more than ogives. Less than and more than ogives. Okay, students, there is a 2 axis, x axis and y axis. This is called x axis, this is called y axis, 0. X axis considering classes, y axis considering frequencies. Okay, so x axis 1 centimeter, x axis 1 centimeter, I will take 10 units. In y axis also I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, because so we are identifying the frequencies based on the cumulative. The maximum is 74, so less than upper limit is 80, so the class limits difference is 10. So I will take x axis and y axis both 10 units. One centimeter for 10 units. I will identifying the 1 centimeter for 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here also same. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, students. After identifying that, next we have to see the less than ogives and more than ogives. First, upper limits. Based on this information, we have to draw a ogive lines. Okay. For upper limits 20, the frequency is 3. Frequencies, this is the frequency, this is the classes. For 20 class, so upper limit of 20, the frequency is 3, less than cumulative frequency. First we have to draw, after that we have to draw a more than cumulative frequency. So upper limit of 20, so we should take frequency less than cumulative frequency is 3, we should mark here. Next, upper limit of 30, the frequency less than frequency is 11 will come here, so we have to draw, we have to identifying here. Next, upper limit of 40, so the value is 25 will come here. Next, upper limit of 50, the frequency less than cumulative frequency also 50, we have to mark here. Next, 60, the upper limit of 60, the less than cumulative frequency is 65. Next, 70, the less than cumulative frequency is 72. Coming to the upper limit of 80, the less than cumulative frequency is 74. Okay, students. So this is the way of identifying the first less than cumulative frequencies. Later we have to connect. With a free hand. Okay, students, this is called less than cumulative frequencies. Next, we have to draw a more than cumulative frequency based on the limited values, means lower limit 10. First limit is 10. The value more than cumulative frequency is 74. So we have to mark for 74. Next is for 20, the value is 71. For 30, the value is 63. Next, for 40, the value is 49. For 50, the value is 24. For 60, the more than cumulative frequency is 9. For 70, the value is 2. Next we have to connect. Okay students, it is called as an more than cumulative frequency. So next we have to identify the median. In the problem they are already given. We have to find out, locate the value of median. Locate the value of median. In the histogram we are identifying the mode. Same like that, in less than ogive or more than ogive we have to identify the median. So let us know how to identify the median. So is the given information. So we already identifying the less than ogive and more than ogive. So less than ogive and more than ogives, where they are intersect or where they are connected. So where they are intersect or connected, that point is called as an median. That point is called as an median. M means median. M means median. This is called as an median. The median value is 44 here. The median value. So we have to here identifying the 1 centimeter is equal to 10, right? So 40, after the 40 the value will come 44 here. In graph directly you can easily identify the values. The median value is 44. Okay students, this is the way of identifying the median. So we already know about that, how to identifying the median based on the ogives, more than ogive and less than ogives. Okay students, thank you to all. If you have any doubts you can call and ask the questions. Okay students, thank you to all.